Hey, my 2-minute conviction this week is all about setting rhythms for 2023. I'm just back from some extended leave, and I'm sure leaders all over the country have been reflecting and writing down fresh vision to cast to their teams and organisations. And I've learnt over the years that whilst vision is an indispensable quality of every leader, it's that bright and shiny picture of the future, something that excites and motivates you and your people. There is something more important, and that is your convictions and your callings. See, vision's something you could do, whereas calling and conviction are the things you must do. You are compelled around them. They're not always easy and not always what you want to do, but it's part of the spiritual, foundational fabric or DNA of your personal mission and purpose. So I hope this year, whilst you might cast fresh vision, centre on the core callings and convictions of your life. Have a great year.